Hello there, welcome back. So this is the continuation of the Hyte Y40 case that I'm planning to build on. So like from my previous video, like I mentioned, I did Dremel some slots here. So if you could see, because of the airflow, then we have the fan on the bottom, and then there's only these areas where air could flow in. I did Dremel it here. Let me show closer. Some lines here, so some of the air could at least pass through them. And it's not the best job, but hey, I'm not a machinist or I don't have the proper tools to create holes like these anyways. That should be pretty good of a job to at least get more space for more air to come up from the bottom fan here. I also got a blower type fan here that I'm going to install and place around this area here, somewhere here, where because it's a USB plug, I'll probably route the USB outside, and if it's hot or warm or if I'm playing a game, that's the only time that I'm gonna plug it in, because in general, like for work stuff, I probably don't need to cool the GPU anyways. So that's pretty much it. And if you notice too, I took off the glass panel here just because when I was cutting holes here, I wanted to have access to all the space. So what I found out is that when you take off the front panel, the glass here, it actually acts as a support. So if you're gonna install the radiator, make sure you have the glass panel here if you took it off too. So that's it for preparing the case for my build. And now on to the build. So time to do the build. Let's go. Okay, so I'm done with the build for the Hyte Y40. In conclusion, it's actually easy to use this case and build on it and put parts in it. When you remove all of the glasses and all of the panels, basically, it's just easy to access and put stuff in, and the routing and route cables in, and they have big holes. Those big holes on the sides and on the tops for wires, they are very helpful. So it's fairly easy to build on. So I really like this case. Yeah, so if you're thinking of getting it, it's a nice case, it's a pretty case. Probably the only things I don't like about it, so let's go with the bad. What I don't like are the two fans that came with it, because yeah, if you're gonna do a build like this, the two fans that aren't RGB or ARGB, you'll probably replace them anyways. I mean, it's good if you just want to, build a dark themed case where there's no lights, so that's okay. So whatever floats your boat. But those two fans I didn't like, and what else is not to like? Actually, I think case-wise, that's the only piece. Everything was an easy install. All of the holes, like just you could put stuff in whatever, like hole on the bottom and hole on top. And oh yeah, the airflow piece where some parts of the bottom part, they're covered with, just the hard plastic. So, I mean, I probably really wouldn't mind it for a normal user who's not going to overclock or who doesn't have a very hot running system. That'll probably be okay, but I'm planning to overclock this 13700K, and I normally overclock my graphics card too. And also when I'm playing, I don't want to have to, you know, I don't want to have that heat issue anyways. So other than that, the rest, yeah, it's a nice build quality, easy to build on, easy to access the ports. There's a lot of holes and straps where you could, you know, whatever kind of strap you want, you know, zip ties or cords, or, you know, the strap on thing that you could use on the wires basically to manage the cables. You have plenty of those to strap the wires to basically. So yeah, so let's finish this off by removing the plastic on the glass. A little bit of stuck there. So there we go. It's really nice. I think, yeah, I'll be keeping this for a while. And like I said, the case is for bigger GPUs that I'm planning to get. So when that time comes, this will definitely fit that GPU, and my air blower is ready for when it gets hot. So let's get the other side too. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this case if you're going to build on it, or even the Y60, because that one's bigger, the big brother of this one. So I hope you enjoyed the build, and I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.